Hello my fellow creatives. Today I'll be showing you how I made this design. If you look closely, you're going to see that the design is very clear and very clean. Now here are my resources. Although while I was creating this design, most of the images I just copy and paste, but when I said okay, let me make tutorial about it, I couldn't find most of the background that I use, especially something like this other one. I couldn't find those background anymore, but I bring something similar to what I use. What is the most important part is that just make sure that you get something similar also while you are creating your own design. I just want to show you how I achieve this particular design. Then yeah, my resources, like I said. Then this other part, this is where I'm going to make the replication of this design. Now the first thing I'm going to do now is that I need this background first, then I bring it here. I have to copy it, press Alt key down because I don't want to take it away totally. I have to copy it, then I increase the size, Ctrl T to transform, then adjust. Let me reduce it a little bit. Okay, it's okay like this, and I click on check. Now the next thing I'm going to do now is that I want to let me write the text. That is a reggae night. Click on add, then click on the text. I type reggae, then Ctrl T to transform it again. I want to increase the size. Let me check for the fonts that I use. The name of the font is Galantic. I copy it, then I come down here, double click on it, then I paste it here. That's the name of the font, and I click on check. Now I've gotten my font. Let me increase the size a little bit again. Okay, the next thing I'll be doing now is that I want to duplicate these fonts. I press my Alt key down to get another copy, then I take it up. I reduce the opacity of this. Okay, then I take this one up. I want this one to be at the top. Then I come down here, I add another layer, then I come to my brush tool, I select this, then I should make sure this is in black color. Undo, I want it to be under it so that it will be as if I'm having a shadow under it. Okay, that's perfect. Let me change it back to the normal one. Okay, let's continue. Now the next thing I'm going to do now is I want to add it should be at the top, add another layer, then this shape. I want something like this. Something like this, but it will be at the bottom of the text. That's perfect. Like this. Okay, the next thing we'll be doing now is I want to blur this image a little bit. I go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, then let me select I think 1.9 radius is okay, 4.0 radius, I think that's okay. Now the next thing I'll be doing is I want to bring this this bulb here. bring it down here. Sorry, I should what's it called, I should copy it. Then let me zoom it so that we can see what we're doing. Now let me try to change the blending mode option. Let me look for the perfect one so that it's going to blend with the other background. I think this is okay. This is okay. Linear dodge. Bring it down here. I increase the size. This is okay. I can just clean some parts from there. Let me click on my what's it called, layer mask. I select the shape, then let me remove this part. Remove this part a little bit. Then after that, let me see what we're doing. Okay, the size can still be increased. Increase the size. Good job. After that, let me blur it. Filter, Gaussian blur. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Increase the blurry. Oh, sorry, there's a mistake. I select this instead of the layer mask. I go back to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Good job. I think it's okay like this. I can now duplicate this so that I have another copy here. Then let me transform this, Ctrl T. Then I flip horizontal. Okay, this is okay like this. Now the next thing I'll be doing now is, let me bring this background down here. Let me copy it as well. Ctrl T to transform, then increase the size. Increase the size. I click on check. Now I change the blending mode option as well. Just need the perfect one. I think this is okay. Let me check it again. If I can see another one, I think we can go with, let's go with this. That is soft light. Select the soft light. Then I'm going to clean some parts from it also. But before selecting soft light, let me take it to normal. Let me clean the parts that I don't want. I select my layer mask. I click on the brush tool. Then let me clean this part. Okay. Then I think I use soft light. Soft light. Okay, that's perfect. Now the next thing I'm going to do now is that I still need to clean some parts here. I don't want it to be at the top of that layer. Let me select this. I don't want it to cover the text. Good. Now the next thing we'll be doing now, let me write night. But instead of writing, I can copy it from here. Night. And here's the font. Here's the name of the font. Allah. ALLER. That's the name of the font. Let me increase the size of this. Let me bring it down a little bit. Take it okay like this. Now the next thing we'll be doing now is that, let me bring out the pictures. The first picture here, let me bring this guy first. I bring him here. I said I want to copy. I bring this guy here. Let me reduce the size a little bit. I rotate it like this a little bit. Then it should be under the text. Under the text. Good. That means let me take this text up. paste the other text. We have to reggae there. This other reggae, let me take it to the top, so that why this guy will be under the text, it should not be under the background, just under the text. Good. Then let me rotate it again. Good. Okay, I have the text, I have the picture rather. Then that size is too big. Have to reduce it. Then this reggae and all other, let me take them up a little bit. I think it should go like this. Now let me bring this other lady, bring her picture here, but our picture should be under the text as well. Good job. I reduce the size. Now let me rotate it first, then reduce the size. I think it should go like this. Then the last other text, but before doing that, let me add a layer mask to this. Okay, that's perfect. Then the last picture, I copy the picture as well below the text. Then let me transform it, Ctrl T, reduce the size, then rotate it, take it somewhere here, rotate it a little bit. Oh, sorry, reduce the size a little bit. Let me add layer marks to it. I think it has layer marks already. Let me just take this part away so that I can blend it with the background and all that. Let me reduce. I think it's okay like this. It's okay like this. I can increase the size a little bit somewhere here. You can check. Now the next thing I'll be doing now is that okay, let me get the shape. Here's the shape. I give it this color. Then I'm going to rotate it, Ctrl T, then I rotate like this, bring it here, then I have the duplicate. I double click on the duplicate, then I change it to white. But both of them should be above the text. Good. This one need to go back a little bit. Let me increase this lady picture a bit, then take this one up, take this one like this, it's okay like this. Then instead of rewriting this, I can copy it, then let me rotate this, reduce the size of this, then let me copy it so that I can use the same thing and just live in Acquia. Then Ctrl T, I increase the size of this. Okay, it's okay like this. Zoom out. Then I want to change the font, the appearance of this. Let me select this. Let's see what I use. Okay, click on it. I come to FX, blending option, then bevel and emboss. I want it to be inner. Let me see. Should I be embossed? Let me check from this so that I will know what I use. bevel and emboss inner. I should make sure I use all the setting that I have here. I come back here, there is bevel and emboss. It should be inner. Then I think getting it gradually, the size. Okay, and I click on OK. Now the next thing we'll be doing now is that I want to bring this one as well. I copy it, then I click on Ctrl T, I rotate it, increase the size, I rotate it like this, increase the size more, a little bit reduce, and then take it like this. Then let me try to blur it. What's it called? Blending option. Okay, this is what I use. Then I want to reduce. Did I reduce opacity? Let me check. The opacity is 64. Let me reduce the opacity to 64. Okay, I think we are done with that part. Then this, I can copy this, I can copy the time as well, but this is how I achieve it. Sorry please. I click on FX, you can see outer layer, then check all the settings that I have here and apply the same thing. Okay, these are minor thing, ticket booking and all that. Let me just copy them. Then let me copy these as well. These are just normal typing. We don't need to stress ourselves over it rather. Then book now and the other one. Undo, sorry. Let me copy the one after the other. Then the next thing we'll be doing now is that let me bring this other picture. I bring it here. Let me zoom in. Increase the size of this. Ctrl T. Then which blending option did I use here? Okay, let me unlock it from here. That's lighting. Change it to lighting. Then let me clean some parts from it as well. Layer mask. I don't want some part here. Good. Now what I'll be doing next is that let me now go to any of the image. I click on this, then I select my curve. Select curve, bring this one down a little bit, not too much, then take this one up. You can see. While doing that, this image has covered the face of the lady. Let me increase the size. Good. Should be somewhere here. Perfect. You can see that is how we achieve this design. Don't forget to follow us, to subscribe to our channel rather, and don't forget to share for others who may have interest in designing flyers and every other thing under the graphic design. Thank you very much, and don't forget to drop your comments. Let me know the next thing you would like me to teach you in the next class. Thank you so much.